Hi Capricorns, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is a monthly reading for the month of 2021 for the zodiac sign Capricorns, November 2021. Let's see what's coming up for you. Okay, let's see. Okay, wow, good, good, good time for you is coming. Yes. Okay, so Capricorns, there is a new opportunities waiting for you, new opportunities, new life, new situations, new doors are opening for you in the month of November maybe, and or energetically, it's aligning, all everything is aligning. So within next 1 year, new opportunities, new life, new situations, new phase of your life is starting, new doors are opening, new situations are happening, which is very cool. Okay, you don't trust your intuition level a lot. Sometimes you really get confused, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions, evaluations of pros and cons. Yes, and I also feel that you don't trust your intuition level a lot. That's the thing. You need to start trusting your intuition level now. Okay. um I also feel that there's juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions, evaluations on of pros and cons, and you will be evaluating very thoroughly before making a decision. But within next 2 months, there might be a situation comes where you need to decide on certain decisions, certain particular situations, certain sort of action. Okay, so you won't be into an evaluation situation more, you will be on a decision making level. Okay, decision situation, taking the decisions. Okay, I also feel that before you were really stuck up into a situation, now you are at a point that you need to take action. November will be the month of your time, your life, your situations where you will be very action oriented. You will be a go to person. You will be at a point where no, I need to do this, no, I need to do that. Okay, so you will be a very go to person in the month of November. Especially you will be taking action, you will be very action oriented in the month of November. Before, you were in the past, you will be feeling certain things in life, but right now, at least in the month of November, I can feel that you will be very emotional, very much emotional. Like, you will not be trusting your intuition level a lot, but you will be trusting your outer circumstances, your outer people a lot. Okay, your outer environment and outer situations a lot. Okay, you will be hell lot of emotional, very much emotional on certain things in life, very much emotional, related to certain things, very 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 much emotional. Okay, so that's the thing. I also feel that you will be feeling stuck into a situation, like you need to take action related to something, but you will be at a point where it will take time for you to take action related to certain things in life, certain situations in life, either in your career life or in your relationship. Okay, but that stuckness will get over within next 2 months. Like, within next 2 months, you will take an action related to something. Okay, so that will be you will be taking action towards moving forward, you will be taking action towards going forward in life, which will be really cool for you. Okay, and that action, like, within next 2 months, you will be taking action. It will not be done eventually, like, you will not become action oriented overnight. It will take at least 2 months of becoming an action oriented person, or you will be thinking in your head that now it's the time to take action, I just cannot sit and overthink. Okay, so that's it, Capricorns. I hope you like this reading. I just want to give you an advice, trust your intuition level a lot, because that will guide you correctly. Okay, Capricorns, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care.